Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store. First, you will want to sign up for a free trial, which usually gives you 3 days to explore the platform. Next, choose a compelling name for your online shop that truly represents your brand. After that, answer a few quick questions to help Shopify customize your initial store settings. Finally, select a plan that fits your business needs, with basic options starting around $29 monthly. Now let's make your store look amazing. Head over to the Shopify theme store, where you can pick from hundreds of free and premium themes. Once you have chosen one, customize it to perfectly align with your brand's unique style, including colors and fonts. Don't forget to upload your professional logo and captivating product images. Finally, organize your navigation menus clearly, ensuring customers can easily find what they are looking for. Next, it's time to fill your store with fantastic products. Add each item with compelling descriptions, multiple high-resolution images, and precise pricing. Group similar products into collections to make browsing simple for your customers. Then, establish your shipping rates and define your delivery zones to manage logistics effectively. Crucially, integrate secure payment gateways, such as Shopify payments, to process transactions smoothly and safely. You are almost ready to go live. Before launching, meticulously review all your store settings, product listings, and payment configurations. Once everything is perfect, remove the password protection to open your store to the world. Start promoting your new business across various channels like social media and email marketing. Continuously monitor your store's performance using Shopify's built-in analytics to discover new ways to grow and succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.